Okay, first, we forgot to add types for our features. Let's do it. We create the separate structure directory where we will store the types, features and bugs. We don't need any fields other than ID. We will store the type in ID, bug and feature. Alright, and go to the features to add a new field, type. Yeah, type of link to the structure type. And don't forget to add this field to the API endpoint for writing that way. Right. And let's configure the form. Here's the type, and we should turn on the quick search to show the drop down in the form this way. Next, let's work on business logic. We'll create our first scenario. This scenario will process all the incoming objects in the data structure features, feature requests and bug reports, and the trigger for it will be appearing of new objects. Okay, we are adding the step of editing object. And don't forget to add a comment that makes the scenario clear and readable. We added the field date request. We save there now. That is the special expression which requires coding mode. This way, right? On the next step, we will save the status of the request as new and commenting as well. Note that we could use HTML tags in comments to make it even more readable. Alright, editing an object, choosing the field request status and set it to new. Note that coding mode is not required here. And also, I want you to be alerted that something happened, that the new request appeared. That would be a send the email step, but we need to establish email integration. We'll do it a bit later, and now we are publishing and running this scenario. Alright. Let's now test this scenario and create the new object. Via the form, we have chosen the type bug, entered the title, the description, all the required fields and some tags. Alright, submitting and looking into logs. Here we are. 3 steps has been performed. Let's have a look at the object. Date requested is filled, request status, everything is correct. Right. Okay, let's configure the email integration. We're going to integration section, email, and add email gate. We'll connect Gmail. Enter the address, password, check, and something went wrong. Let's go to our Gmail account, to the settings. That is a standard problem. We are going to security settings, looking for less secure app access, and turn it on. That way. Check the gate one more time. Here. And voila, it works. Superb. Go to this scenario. Click Edit Scenario. Edit in the draft. Okay, connecting the steps, choosing the address, filling the header, the body, and enter in the email address, let it be constant, save, publish, and now we could throw the same object to the scenario via a debug option. We are copying their ID, choosing their debug section to the right, throw that object to scenario and looking at the logs. Everything is correct, and here is the email. Right.